Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another Temu unboxing and I'm going to reach in and, oh yeah, I see some things I want to unbox. In fact, there's two things I'm going to take out right now that I want to show you. And they're not what I thought they were, but I'm still very excited about them. So, if you've watched this channel at all for any length of time, you might know that I am a big Osmond fan. And I realized that Temu sells Osmond stuff. And I thought, yes, so I'm going to get these. So, they sell big Osmond stuff, but I wanted something small. So, I got this adorable Donny Osmond sticker. This is a retro 70s aesthetic vinyl sticker with, it says a matte finish, although it looks pretty shiny to me. And this is my favorite Osmond. This is Donny Osmond. He's the one that got me interested in the Osmonds when I was about 6 years old. I heard him singing and I fell in love. And then I immediately started liking his whole family. So this was $1.65 and it's just a simple sticker that I'll have to figure out how to tear out of here. Yeah, we'll worry about that later. But that's what it looks like. He's so cute. He is the cutest boy in the world, right? And he's an older boy than me. He's 6 years older than me, which is a lot when you're 6 and the boy's 14. And this is the Osmond Brothers sticker. This is a vintage black and white floral vinyl sticker. It is also matte, it says, but it looks shiny to me. And this was only 61 cents. So I got these two Osmond stickers because I could not resist. And I will figure out how to unpeel them later on. They sell other Osmond things that you could put on the wall, but they seem really big. And I wasn't sure I wanted something that big. But now I'm thinking I might. But I think I might put these on the back of my computer or just on my dresser next to me. Super cute. I'm very happy. So, unfortunately, Wayne has since passed away. But here are the brothers. This is Alan. Say a prayer for Alan. He's in the hospital right now. He has MS. This is Wayne. He recently passed away. He was really lovely. He played the guitar. This is Merrill. Merrill was the lead singer of the Osmonds. He's still alive. He still sings. He doesn't perform as often because he's retired, but every once in a while he does. This is Jay. Jay wrote a musical, and the musical was in the UK a couple of years ago, but he's bringing it to the United States next year, hoping he'll bring it to Canada too. And here's little Donny, and Donny is still going strong, and he has a show in Vegas. They also have a sister named Marie, and she is also still performing, and they have a little brother named Jimmy, who is no longer performing. So, and they have two older brothers, Verl and Tom. Yes, I know everything about the Osmonds. I love them. They're a beautiful family, and I'm so excited about these. So, only 61 cents Canadian, $1.65 Canadian, and I'm like a little girl, very happy. And I'm going to have Osmond posters in my room again, even though they're just tiny little stickers. When I was a little girl, my entire walls were postered in the Osmonds, plus one of Sean Cassidy. But other than that one Sean Cassidy poster, all Osmonds, all mostly Donny. Super cute. Which ones do you like better? And did you like the Osmonds when you were young, or are you just much too young to remember them at all? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. All of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and if you're an Osmond fan, you'll get this. May tomorrow be a perfect day. Bye guys.